Fight like a man.
Excitement. I think you're ready to have your eyes break from widening in surprise, and your comical
I want Hotspot to act like he's going Super Saiyan in that voice.
Look at the rest of this action-packed ish.
I'm yelling more faster
Starring
than you.
me.
I control the jimmies. I control the wrestling.
Saxton Hale! I bet you maggots don't even have a war cry. Let me hear it. Let me hear your war cry.
Sounds like it's from Full Metal Jacket.
Wait, where are you going? What the
You
fuck?
call that a war cry? Louder! Louder! Saxton Hale!
Now that's one right there.
Best war cry ever.
Acts like you're going Super Saiyan, Hotspot.
I don't have my 5.
Here I go. I will unlock the power deep within me.
It's Super Penis
Oh
Cupcake
my
Saiyan.
god. That was awesome. I love that.
Yeah, it's fuck you. Put that cookie down now.
Put that cookie down! No!
Put it down! I order you to put down the cookie!
I made you a cookie, but I ate it.
How dare you! I will punch your stomach until you throw up the cookie! Nay, I'll reach down your throat and grab it from your entrail! Eating my damn cookie!
I have no regrets.
Game it!
I also made you a cake.
Wait,
It was yellow. Yellow
Wait,
as in
Hotspot.
a soldier returning home from war.
wait, Hotspot, the Penis Cupcake is your roommate, right?
Indeed.
Penis Cupcake
What?
can't hurt medics.
No, he's his roommate, you don't understand. Why do they hate people?
He's not only my roommate, he is my cousin!
What?
Wait, then is Rubber Fruit your dad?
Then who the fuck
We
is
have some
Penis
issues.
Rubber Fruit created Penis Cupcake.
Wait,
So,
then why the fuck Penis
Hotspot
Cupcake
must
hate
be
people?
his dad.
And why
No.
Penis Cupcake loves Spy when you say like good words to him?
Search your feelings, you know it be true.
He's a clone! He's not real! I deny him!
know he's gonna
You know,
do.
search your feelings, you know it to be true.
I will never! Never!
Do it or I will saw off your or jack you off or...
We want to speak with your roommate.
Believe in me, or I will saw off your hand that you used to jack off.
Oh yeah, we're gonna speak with the cousin.
You got me at that, I'll do it!
Yes,
Okay.
speak with the cousin.
That was delicious! How you think I got these muscles? Not by working out!
We want to speak to cousin now.
He only knows a few words. Can't do it.
No one cares.
You're good, son, real good.
You were good, son, real good.
Hey, you see more than 4 words. It's an entire line.
Minigun for maximum pleasure.
Penis Cupcake, that what we do. That's more than 4 words.
What?
Minigun.
Hey, wait. Hotspot, where the fuck did the engineer came from?
No one knows where it came
He's from Texas.
Yep.
Yeah, but is that your brother?
Oh, hell no!
He's look like shit.
He's not my cousin. I think I met him in a retarded law school. And that's when I dropped out of law school.
That's why everyone hate him, and then everyone loved him.
I made you a cake.
And I
Don't
eat
say
it.
No.
We're into a pony, sir. You know Pink is gonna come out of nowhere and eat you.
Alright, I'm back.
I do not fear it. How bad can it be? Oh my god!
Told you.
I speak fluent Applejack.
You call that breaking my spine? You wouldn't know how to break my spine if— Ow! My spine!
My spine was taken out years ago by Scorpion.
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est? Je parle le français.
Give me back my leg bone! Ah, don't beat me with it!
Bullocks.
Kill him with fire.
I don't have a decal tool, god dang it.
You're right. Oh,
Ends in 30 seconds.
mad it. Oh.
Must die.
I will never eat cake again.
Oh my god, I was something like epic.
Brownies! I have a craving for brownies!
5.
What do you think I feel? I want brownies too, but we all can't have what we want.
I have a strange craving for sprinkles.
You! I'm going to beat up a brownie making person. What are they called? I don't know. Oh,
Hey, wait,
They're
Hotspot.
called bakers.
Hotspot, do you know
bakers! Yes! I will beat the bake.
Hey, Hotspot, do you know Twix?
Welcome to the tutorial!
No.
3, 2,
You know?
1.
Have you ever met Molestia?
Fight to the death.
No.
Well, she molested
I
your
have.
cousin, and he liked it a lot.
I've met
That doesn't
Molestia.
surprise me. Not at all.
And that's why you say penis all the time. And can I ask a question? So why the fuck did it move like a worm?
This what was it?
What?
Mankind!
Repeat that question.
Why the fuck your cousin move like a worm? He's climbing on the wall like a worm.
He likes slugs.
Yeah, and everybody's literally like...
He likes slugs.
I want to speak with him. Just one word.
You want to speak with them? I'll get him on the mic right now. Just you
Sneaky
wait.
bastard!
Yay!
Taste the explosive power of my fists!
I am
The mafia
eating
was
this
after me.
cupcake. I will eat this mic.
If the mafia was after me, I'd get a machine gun
Back my mic.
Wow. Oh.
and then eat them. I'll eat.
Your cousin eat
He
every
ate
day.
my
That's-
microphone, so I had to get a replacement.
He hit your microphone. That's it. Wow.
What many people do not know is when he eats things, he has the power to shoot them out at rocket speed.
Up his ass.
Both ends.
Hey, what the fuck? You're a scout. You're supposed to be the
Real
soldier.
men
You first.
fight! They don't heal!
What are you talking about?
Oh,
I sound nothing like the soldier.
No. You're a scout. This means you're a virgin.
I have a gear in my back.